All right, hey everybody. Here's a little exercise we can do. I've tried this on Instagram before. Thought I could throw one of these up on YouTube also. Maybe it could help some people. Some people would enjoy it. Basically, the idea is we start out with a basic shape, any old shape. I'll give you one because sometimes this is the most difficult part, right? Starting. So I'm going to give you this shape. This is it, right here. It's pretty easy, look, and it's okay if you don't draw it right, but this is your basic starting shape. And it's okay, starting shape? It's okay if you draw like this or a little different, like this, or like that, or like this. It's okay if you don't get it quite right, all right? Just aim for this. And basically what I want to do is I'm going to start from here and draw my own thing, but we'll all start from the same place, and then we can share it and see like all the different possibilities that can erupt from one simple starting point. That's one reason it's cool to do, but it's also just good because sometimes you want to draw, but you don't know what to draw. Some weird version of artist block that I don't know if I completely believe in, because look, if you're physically able to hold the pen, you're physically able to drag it across the paper, then you can do this. And maybe this little drawing, this little shape will get you started on something. You can take as much or as little time as you want with this. I'm just going to take about 5 or 10 minutes. Start out with a shape and add some lines or other shapes. It's pretty cool. Maybe this little doodle will get you inspired. I think you really have a big power within you to inspire yourself if you can just start a piece, you know? Maybe this one can become something cool, or maybe this one will get your art mind rolling and gears turning for a future piece. Anyways, that's just a simple little example of what I did, starting out from a simple shape like this. I'd love to see what doodles you come up with, and you can share them on Instagram if you want. As you can see, there's already a hashtag Doodle Jumpstart, and here's one I did a long time ago on Instagram. And then other people share theirs, and it's like so cool to see all the different directions people go with it, right? So share it. You know, you can tag me if you want, and it'll pop up here for me, and then I can see all the different things people tag me in. I'm going to take a picture of it right now and post it. All right. See you guys later. Let me know what you think. All right. All right. Goodbye. See you all later. This is me waving goodbye.